Ever wondered how Earthbound's music tickles your brain with its unique blend of quirkiness and catchiness? Let's unlock the secrets to crafting your own tunes inspired by this SNES classic. First, explore jazzy and unusual chord progressions. Earthbound frequently uses major 7th and minor 7th chords. Experiment with combining them in unexpected ways. For example, try a progression like C major 7, F major 7, D minor 7, and G7. Next, choose your instruments wisely. Think quirky. Earthbound's sound relies on slightly detuned synthesizers, Lofi samples, and unexpected sounds. A toe piano, a slightly off-key electric piano, and even sampled everyday noises like a dog bark can be incorporated. Focus on creating catchy, memorable melodies. These melodies often feature simple, repeating motifs, making them incredibly hummable. Don't be afraid to keep it short and sweet. Finally, embrace the Lofi aesthetic. A touch of subtle distortion, a slight reduction in high frequencies using an EQ, or even adding a gentle chorus effect can help emulate that classic, slightly muffled SNES sound. By combining these techniques, you can start creating music that captures the whimsical and nostalgic essence of Earthbound, empowering you to craft your own unforgettable sonic landscapes. Now go forth and create some retro soundscapes.